Okay, everybody, remember how she was pointing out this place and then she said to go to this place for lunch and then she gave me a coupon, but she said this is what is famous here, and that is this. It's I guess it's like a pierogi almost. It's stuffed whatever it is, cheese or meat or lamb or whatever in a thing. And so I'm at this restaurant that one that she recommended. This place right here. I should put it in the light so you can read it. This is where I'm at right here. Got it? And then what I ordered was this stuff. So it's called, I guess, Zlikrofi Bakalca Pukadu. And so I got the one with roasted pork. I wasn't dealing with the lamb, so I'll deal with the roasted pork. And I think it comes with pork sauce on top or something, but that's what I ordered. Okay, and I will show you when I get it, and we'll go from there. Cheers. Okay, morning lunch is here, and this is what you get, and this is that free dessert you get, which is their famous, I don't know what it is, but we're going to try. And this is like pork roast or something, and then these are their little noodles full of pork roast, I guess, and a loaf of bread, I guess, and here we go. Cool. So this is what she recommended. Bye-bye, everybody. Steak or a pork, like a chunk of pork roast, and it's wonderful actually. And let me just cut one of these open so we can look inside, huh? And I think it's just like little dough things, I guess, and you eat it like this, and it's really it's really good. Marvelous. Good healthy lunch. Okay, and this is the dessert. She pronounced it for me, and this is a dessert that's local to here. I guess I should cut it open so you can at least see what you get for. And I think, oh, wow, that looks like onions almost. So that looks like onion up there, but well, I guess I'll give it a try. It's got powdered sugar, so it can't be too bad, huh? Bye, everybody.